from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie. Charlie is hiding under the bed and I don't know why. Normally he has to be right next to me, and BB's got her back to us. She has her toy. She's cracking me up because if I don't play with her, she plays with herself. She throws her toy off the bed and then runs and chases it. But of course she's not going to do it now because I'm talking about her. And she's not a circus dog, you know. She tells me that every day. She doesn't come when she's called. She doesn't like to do as she's told. And she doesn't perform on request. Poodles are like that. But she is my sweet friend who keeps me company and sleeps on my lap every day. There goes Charlie. Hey Charlie, come on. Yorkies are very, they do what they want to do. Even if he knows you don't want him to do something, he'll stare at you like a 2-year-old and give you side eye as he does it. Very funny. Very funny little boy. These guys keep me occupied and busy. Charlie just likes to lick everybody. And BB, you know, I had a couple rough years. She will not let me cry. She comes and licks my face until I stop. So there's no crying in our house. Oh boy, flowers! Oh, I'm so excited. This is a big one. It's 40 by 50. I'm moving the camera, sorry. It has a single pen with a 3-tip on the other, a little blue boat, bags, a tiny chunk of wax, and some tweezers. So, let's take a look at this. It's a 40 by 50 floral. It's hard to tell from the thumbnail what the flowers are. There we go. They look like carnations to me. I know they can't be roses. I have bought so many roses. I think I'm all rosed out. I still would like one, see, and there's always more. I want one that has, I want it to be a bouquet and a basket with pink carnations and daisies. And I don't know what else, but I want it to be mostly pink carnations and daisies. That's the one I haven't found yet. And I keep thinking if I find a picture, I will do a custom. But if I don't find it, that's okay. But everybody watch for pink carnations and daisies in a basket. That just sounds so pretty to me. And I don't even know where it came from or why I thought of that. Okay, lots of packing tape on the diamond painting. Let's spread this out. Oh, look, there's even more. Put 3 pieces of packing tape on here. I don't know why I'm complaining. That doesn't hurt anything. Just one of those days. Everybody has those days. Just nothing's right. Nothing feels right. Okay, come on. Come on, tape. Forget the scissors. I should have just gotten my little box. I almost stabbed myself in the stomach. It would have been on a YouTube video of me stabbing myself in the stomach. It's like what not to do when you're diamond painting. I've looked at some of my videos and I am not very safe, I don't think. I have some where I see scissors and knives and things going very close to my body. There we go, big foam core. And even though this wants to curl up, the only creases are the ones I'm creating right now as I open it up. And those will go away when I peel up the paper. Here we go. So I've noticed a lot more people putting up unboxings and YouTube videos. When I started looking online for how to do this, there were only a couple. There's, you know, Stitcherista, Megan, who I love her videos. For the Love of Diamond Painting, that's Donnie. There's a couple others. I've seen Ali's videos. Christy in Australia. You spend some time in the groups and you get to know everybody. But all of a sudden everybody wants to do videos, so good luck with it. I don't feel competitive because I'm just having fun, so I don't really care. My group, anybody can post whatever they want in the group as long as it's generally diamond painting, or you know, you want to share your day, that's fine. But some people are really hardcore with what you can and can't post. And I'm always just looking for new groups where I can post my video. But I take part in the groups. I like, you know, commenting and hearing what other people have to say. Mostly I love seeing people's diamond paintings. Every once in a while you get that feeling of, oh, I have to have that. Where did you get it? You know? And hope they don't say it's a custom. I'm all for sharing. Join as many groups as you want. Follow everybody. It's a really cool bunch of people that are diamond painting and sharing their love of it and their knowledge. Stacy does a lot of lives, or she used to. She's been busy lately. This is a busy time of year with school starting up and, you know, everybody's stressing. Get that round of first day of school pictures from all your friends. I see my friends' kids going to college. And okay, so here it is. 40 by 50 full drill square. The symbols are clear, but there's some funky ones that make it look a little weird. You see a lot of pound sign, euro signs, percentage signs. I use my light pad. I won't have any problem with that. Here's what it looks like. It's a big bouquet of, I'm still gonna say carnations till somebody proves me wrong. Let me show you. Oh, it's folding over. Oh no. There we go. Okay. I'll show you just the symbols up close. Well, I got the foam roller. Gosh darn it. Okay, I'm going to lay this flat before I do any damage to it. I'm not the most graceful gazelle in the herd. Oh, that is not lining up right. That's my worry, that I'm going to leave parts exposed and then have a big old mess on my hand when I go to do it. Yeah, it's leaving a gap. Maybe it's this piece. Yep. Okay. I think I need to pick up some parchment paper just to have around. And press over the top just to be sure. Okay, I showed you the tools. And next is the drills. I gotta say, already I can tell there's some pretty colors in here. Just the colors of the flowers mostly. The red and pink. Although I don't, and purple. I don't think it's a lot of bright red. I think it's like a mauve-y, a little more on the pink side. The true bright red is that 666 red, which I think the number is funny, but is this it here? No, 3804. See, even that's not like a true red. So let me zip through and do the inventory and then catch up with you. This kit is, I just love the colors. There are so many of these beautiful pinks and purples, lavender, carnation pink. Get it? Carnation pink. Yes, carnation. Ha ha ha. That cracked me up. I love the colors. They are very generous with the drills. In some cases, there was supposed to be 7 bags and there were 9, and that happened a lot, where they gave you up 2 bags, 2 bags more than you needed, which is wonderful, because we all know that there tends to be, you know, a bad drill here and there. I would feel very comfortable just tossing it instead of saving it till the end. Is that what you think, BB? Yes, a good girl. So, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next unboxing. Take care. Bye-bye.